I'm doing the second part of this video. So I'll probably do this part of me just tightening up the valve stem, the repair run. Say hey, Micah. Hey, buddy. All right, stop. Go away. All right, so we're gonna try to tighten this up. And then part 2 of the video is going to be me putting air in it. So you got a messed up rim or messed up valve stem, this will probably get you by for a while until you can take it to a tire shop. So this will be the second part. Let's tighten it up, see how this goes. Trying to get it started, but also hold my phone at the same time. Looks like it's seated in there pretty good. This rim is just flaked all up, and it says 20 years old. I mean, I could order one, but it's like 300 bucks. So I'll probably take them and get them powder coated. See how the stem coming out. See, while I tighten it up, the rubber's gonna stick around that hole. Basically what the other valve stem was doing, the regular one. But this is just quicker. I don't have to go to a tire shop. It's in there already. Then we'll do an air test. It should tighten all the way down so it don't blow out on me. That's as far as I can go with it. So